When a JOSKIN machine is purchased, the order form is received at the sales administration and then entered into a production management module, the SAP. This process guarantees a perfect traceability of each element composing your future machine. The ordered assembly is then transformed into different sub-assemblies with components that will be manufactured at separate locations within the production. When finished, the components are then gathered a few days or weeks later on the assembly line for the final composition. In order to guarantee short delivery times, JOSKIN manufactures its entire product range all year round with a continuous pace. Possible off-seasons or quieter moments are filled with the production of stock machines. As a result, there is always a JOSKIN machine available for last-minute investments. Each machine is assigned a unique chassis number when launched into production. This number is the key to all information, whether for the manufacturing process or afterwards for the after-sales service. It provides an access to the specific technical documentation for the end user and the dealer at any time. The SAP tool enables to manage the industrial production. It is 85% of the components manufactured by JOSKIN, as well as the supply of 15% of the purchased components from subcontractors at all times.